Everything that is explained in this video is summarized from CoinMarketCap. And also, please don't forget to support my channel for more XRP updates and some other cryptocurrencies as a whole. Now take a look at Point. Why this whale moved 53 million XRP just before SEC deadline of 29th April. XRP is experiencing a decline of 2.3 in tandem with a general market sell-off, which is occurring during a day that is volatile for major cryptocurrencies. However, the focus is currently on huge whale movements of 53 million XRP just before the deadline for reporting with the SEC on April 29. This raises questions about the reasons behind these transactions in the context of the ongoing legal struggle with Ripple Labs. 53 million XRP moved by whales, a recent whale transaction that involved the transfer of 30 million XRP, worth about $15 million from Bitstamp, has reportedly caused the cryptocurrency community to engage in speculative, as stated by the on-chain data tracking website known as Whale Alert. Ripple Labs, the company that championed the once booming cryptocurrency known as XRP, is currently suspended in a perilous position on a turbulent sea of uncertainty. Over the past few weeks, the digital asset has been experiencing a turbulent journey which has been rocked by a confluence of issues. These challenges include regulatory scrutiny, diminishing investor confidence, and now the foreboding departure of significant whales. These investors, known as whales, who have a large amount of XRP in their possession, have started carrying out large-scale sell orders, which has caused the market to experience substantial shaking. An enormous transfer that exceeded 24 million units and had a value of slightly more than $12 million was discovered to have left the Bitvovo exchange and disappeared into an anonymous wallet, according to data that is generated by the blockchain. It is common practice to read such big movements as a bearish indicator, which indicates that these influential investors may be lacking faith in the future of XRP and cast a shadow over its near prospects. It has been reported that a total of 30 million XRP, equivalent to 15 million USD, has been transferred from an unknown wallet to Bitstamp. Through a separate transaction, a different whale was able to acquire 23 million XRP from Binance, which is approximately equivalent to 11 million. This substantial accumulation by the whale known as demonstrates the increased confidence of traders in XRP in advance of the anticipated developments in the case. It has been reported that a total of 23 XRP, equivalent to $11 million, has been transferred from Binance to an unknown wallet. In addition, the whale that has been identified as R4U7, that for Zen, and is responsible for the most recent transaction, has been seen moving a substantial quantity of XRP to controlled exchanges in the past few days, which has added gasoline to the flames. Controversy within the cryptocurrency community. In the meanwhile, market participants have different interpretations of what these transactions mean. Some of them speculate that these transactions are planned sell-off maneuvers made by whales in anticipation of legal implications. Others have hypothesized that it could be a component of Ripple's more comprehensive liquidity management plan, particularly because Ripple has partnered with Bitstamp to facilitate international payments. That being said, this significant fluctuation of XRP coincides with the mounting uncertainty around the lawsuit that Ripple has filed against the Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States. The 29th of April SE deadline for submissions. While this is going on, Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn has established a significant deadline for the Securities and Exchange Commission seek to reply to the ongoing dispute with Ripple Labs. The deadline is due to fall on April 29, 2024. The motion to dismiss the SEC's expert submissions was made by Ripple, which led to this result. The dynamics of the XRP price. XRP is currently trading at 5,011 cents, which represents a decrease of 2.8 over the previous 24 hours. While this is going on, the volume of its trading has increased by 33%, reaching $795 million over the past week. The price of XRP has dropped by roughly 7% as a direct result of the recent losses. The value of XRP has also decreased by approximately 20% every month. Ripple contends that the claims made by the SEC are without foundation and do not contain sufficient evidence. This is what is anticipated to happen throughout the past 3 years. Ripple's spokesperson, Bill Morgan, has persistently contended that the sales of Ripple on-demand liquidity do not constitute investment contracts. It is Morgan's opinion that the nature of order transactions is different from that of regular investing. Additionally, he emphasizes that users only utilize XRP for a brief period in order to facilitate international payments and not for the goal of investment. Ripple emphasizes that the Securities and Exchange Commission has not demonstrated any likelihood of future violations or willful disregard in its XRP sales. Additionally, Ripple cites the global case to contradict the SEC's disgorgement claim, thereby raising awareness of the absence of evidence of financial harm. Recent statements made by Hogan indicate that the lawsuit may be resolved by the summer of this year. I have a settlement amounting to $100 million. I have a strong belief that the judge will not impose disgorgement, but he or she will give the SEC a break by imposing a penalty of $100 million on Ripple. In the past, the Securities and Exchange Commission has proposed a fine of $2 billion from Ripple, citing violations in specific XRP sales. In response, Ripple said that XRP should not be categorized as a security because it does not fall under the responsibility of the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC to regulate anything. Bart Alderawadi, the chief legal officer of the corporation, offered several important arguments that support the idea that the penalty should not be more than $10 million. Because the cryptocurrency ecosystem is currently experiencing a severe decline across the board, various digital currencies like XRP are keeping an eye out for any kind of bullish trend that they might be able to pick up on. Whale has just acquired a staggering 23,037,429 XRP, as reported by the cryptocurrency analytics platform Whale Alert. This has reignited what might be called a positive push for the cryptocurrency overall. According to the information that was recorded, the Whale moved this amount from a wallet associated with a Binance exchange. Even though the wallet was activated by a Binance user, the destination of the token is still unknown. These kinds of token transfers are a sign of a revitalized investor sentiment, which has the potential to incite a wave of similar accumulations across the board. When taking into consideration the fact that the XRP open interest during the last 24 hours has decreased by the whole buy-up is symptomatic of a developing trend change. The data provided by Coinaz indicates that the amount of XRP open interest has surpassed $380 million, with perpetual contracts being the most prominent, with $374 million taking the focus. This figure demonstrates a slight decline, which is a metric that may experience an ultimate reversal with slight reaccumulation appearing out of nowhere on the chain. The receiver address for the 23 million XRP coins is not a first-time purchase, and it currently has a balance of 32 million XRP. This is an indication that the monies that were transferred may be for safekeeping. Throughout the majority of the year, the price of XRP has stayed among the top 10 most severely impacted cryptocurrency prices. XRP's performance has continued to be hindered by the ongoing case between Ripple and the SEC, which has not yet concluded. Investors are often waiting for the conclusion of the negotiations before adopting a position, even though the remedies phase gives the impression that there may be a change in the existing legal dispute. The price of XRP is currently trading at 5,011 cents.